Before we were using AccuLynx, we were doing things the old way with Excel spreadsheets, lists, files. I mean, it was a nightmare because as our company grew, we just couldn't handle the flow. I mean, there was no organization there. You kind of start to feel like you're swimming and losing control. AccuLynx kind of brought us back in and said, here's how you can control this. It was easy to use. Our people could really dig in and learn their area of it and begin to put it into action. And it brought our whole company together. I've used other software and I haven't found anything as good as AccuLynx. It allows me to have more time, do the things I like to do, be out talking to my customers and spending that time with them, that I couldn't before because I was in an office swimming in paperwork.